Hey guys, Amanda here with eBike Reviews and Adventures, and I'm going to be taking Dad's brand new bike, the Lectric XP, out for its first ride. Yeah, I tried to insist that he take it first, but he said, nope, you assembled it, so you go ride it. So I said, okay. I was just checking out that display right there. It's nice and easy to read. Let me just adjust my camera. And, oh, it's got a little thumb throttle right here. So when I'm ready to take off, I gotta push the thumb button. Alright. Let's get her done. See what happens. Okay. So I have it in pedal assist 1 and took off pretty smoothly. It's a very lightweight bike. It's about 59 pounds, and you add my 120 pounds, that's 179 pounds. That's not bad. And hey, look at me doing mental math. Alright, let's get up to pedal assist 2. Alright. Yeah, this is so lightweight. It's easy to maneuver around. If I need to make a quick adjustment or I need to get away from somebody real fast, I could do that. Okay, let's see, pedal assist 3. Pedal assist 3, it's about 18, 19 miles per hour. I'm not using the thumb throttle either. This is just me pedaling. 20 miles per hour. Oh wow. It's already at 20 miles per hour on pedal assist 3. Interesting. Well, let's kick it up into high gear and see what happens. I'm not going to use the throttle. I'm just going to pedal. Okay. So it's still sitting at about 19 miles per hour. And what if I use the throttle? No pedaling, pedal assist 5. Just using the thumb throttle, it's about 19.5 miles per hour is the highest I've gotten it. Okay, not bad. So it gets some decent speed. Let's go in here. There's no one over here. Let me play around with this for a second. Make a couple donuts. Yeah, this bike is so lightweight. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I like the feel of it. It's lightweight, but it still feels sturdy, like I'm not gonna fall off the bike, or it's not gonna fall apart in pieces as I go down the road. Oh, what is that? I hit a light bump going up the sidewalk, and I'm not sure what that noise was. Did I maybe hit something? Hope not. I'm gonna try that again real quick. Maybe it's the rack on the back end. Round and round we go. Where we'll stop, nobody knows. Not bad for the first ride. I'm digging the look of the bike. It looks nice. It looks real sharp. Although I do feel a little bit of vibration when the motor kicks in. Like, the motor's vibrating right under my seat. But it's just briefly. Once I get up to speed, I don't feel anything anymore. It's just smooth riding. Bum, bum, bum. I'm gonna go in another circle. I like circles. Meow. Let's see. Yeah, because it did it again. I started pedaling, the motor kicked in, and I started feeling that vibration under my seat. Yeah, interesting. Well, I wonder if I lower the pedal assist, does it still do the same thing? No. So pedal assist 1, there's no vibrations in my seat. Oh dear. What is that? That doesn't sound good. I assembled my first bike by myself and I broke it. Okay. Oh dear. Okay guys, I am going to have to take this back home and figure out what that rattling sound is. Because you guys are my witness, it wasn't doing that before. And it's not like I was doing anything super crazy either. I just had it in pedal assist 5. I was only going about 19.5 miles per hour. And now it's starting to make a funny noise. Well, it's definitely coming from below my seat. So maybe the vibrations I was feeling before, that was the warning shot, and now something is acting a fool under my saddle. Hopefully it's an easy fix. Other than that little snafu, this is actually a really nice bike. I like how lightweight it is. It's easy to handle, but it still feels stable. Bum, 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 ba-dum. Yeah, Dad's not gonna be too happy about this noise. Alright guys, that's it for this ride. Give it a like, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. And we'll do a full review on this bike in about a week or so. We'll see you guys later. Hey guys, so I'm back. It didn't take us long to figure out what that rattling sound was underneath my saddle. All we had to do was come over here and pick this up. Yeah, look at that from this side. And we noticed that these mounting screws that are supposed to be sitting here, yeah, they're not there on either side of this. And I didn't, they are sheared off.
Find that in the box.
Yeah, that sucks.